What's going on, y'all? It's been a hot minute since I've uploaded anything, and as you can see, this is kind of why. Just got out of winter, so I figured I'd do a little update video. As you guys might know, if you watched some of the previous stuff, I mentioned that my second gear was slipping quite a lot. So this right here is me attempting to fix that. Over the winter, I've dropped the motor. We've got it torn apart. I've got the new transmission, a whole bunch of new stuff, new clutches, new mirror, like just replacing everything I can that needs to be fixed. So yeah, this is it's quite kind of sad to see it torn apart like this, because it just hit 60 degrees and man, do I wish I was able to ride it right now. Kind of my goal though is once I get this fixed, second gear will be working and I will enjoy this bike even more than I already have. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of a mess. It was very organized, but then something happened. I'll show you. As you can see, oh my goodness, it is so blown out. As you can see there, that is a stripped bolt. For the last bolt, I need to take off this thing. For this piece of the transmission right here, in here, I know it's dark. I'm using my camera for this, not my GoPro. That is the last piece that needs to come out. Everything else is pretty much taken out minus a few of these shift rods or whatever you call shift forks. But literally I'm in the process of drilling it out. That bolt is giving me such a hard time. I originally stripped it and then I bought an easy out kit. First one didn't work. Not sure why, it just would not catch. It was not a very good one. Second one, which I just got, broke off within the second try of trying to use it inside the bolt after drilling it out. So currently I'm trying to drill out the actual the head of the bolt, and then maybe I can at least get the transmission off and then work with what I got there. Other than that, polished up the headers a bit so they're looking a lot better. I still need to do this back area, but the fronts are looking very nice. And I have a new exhaust too. It's SC Project versus the old one. What made me decide was this piece was falling off and it was creating a little bit of an exhaust leak. I figured I would update it. Got some slicker looking mirrors so that way that one mirror wouldn't fold in all the time on me. Figured I'd just go with something a little nicer. Yeah, they might look a little cheap, but I think they look better than stock. We'll have to, once we get the bike together, see how it looks. That's kind of the situation right now. I still got my dirt bike, so I'll still be doing dirt bike stuff once we get those out. That's it, wish me luck. I'm hopefully gonna try to get this drilled out most of the way today, and then maybe tomorrow I can see if I can pop that transmission out. I kind of was thinking back and forth if I wanted to do a full everything I've been doing with it, just videotaping it all, but I just decided against it because I didn't know exactly how it was gonna go. So I didn't know how long it was gonna be and like when to record all the time. So, because a lot of times it's just me coming out here figuring out what to do for like 20 minutes and then go back inside. Just taking it real slow. Oh my goodness. I had to do one more update because I was working on this tonight. You won't believe it. You won't believe it. It's out. The transmission is out. Everything is out. All the shift forks are out. Everything's right down there. We got it. We got it. I still have to deal with that little bit. You can't see shit. The little bit of leftover. That's because I literally just grinded the top off and then pushed this out. That was a gear that I just dropped on the ground, but that's okay because this one is going to go in the junkyard because I have a new one. I'm not even entirely sure if it was the transmission that was causing a problem or the shift fork or anything. So literally for like 300 bucks, I just snagged up literally everything. You can see here, new transmission, or what do you call it? Yeah, new upper part of the transmission. I got a bag here with all new drum and bolts and everything. That'll be the end of this one. But let me know if you guys want to see some actual full videos on more of this rebuild process. Like I said, I didn't record anything up until this point, so maybe the rebuild or something. So yeah, let me know.